tree and the number 3. I saw a tree. It was very meaningful to me. In my dream, I took the tree and I planted it. It was small. Now, it's big. I climbed up the tree. Then I saw so many trees. I count them. 1, 2, and 3. I prayed. I asked God why there is only one tree but split into 3 branches. God answered my prayer. 1 is a symbol of Christmas, when Jesus was born to forgive. The one in the middle is a symbol of all mankind, you and me. Whoever preached the word of God, you are like a branch of a tree. The third one is a symbol of when Jesus was crucified on the cross. And the cross is made out of wood of a tree. He died at 3 o'clock at the age of 33. Born December, number 12 of the month. 12 put plus in between. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Born day 25. 25 put minus in between. Do it reverse. Why reverse? Because of resurrection. 5 minus 2 equals 3. He died in 3 days. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. 3, 33. The symbol of 3 is the love of God. Endless love. He died because He loved all of His creation, all mankind. And that love is God. The 3 and the number 3. Poem written by Amelia Gopez. I am John Tyler Gopez, 17. My dad is June Gopez. My grandparents are Noli and Ellie Gopez. Today is October 18, 2021. Thank you and God bless everyone from Gopez. Join the poem reward and get your reward.